a bike rack. So I like roof racks, cargo boxes. I put them on my cars and all. I love them. And they're very useful and all that when you need an extra space, you know. Man, it's so beautiful out here. All right, guys, so we got everything right here, and I'm putting everything together in the parking lot. As you can see, I got my cooler on here. Like I said, I like racks and all that like this. But anyway, we finna get a bike, so let's put this thing together. Yeah, okay. All right, guys, so we got nearly everything about put together. So only thing I have to do is just drop this sucker down here and figure out how I want it, how to have it pivot and all. The bike is in the back, and we got our extra wheel and all, and an extra bar. What's up, guys? Driving my W210 in the rainy weather, and it's a beautiful day. I got me a bike on the back end. Y'all probably can't see it, but man, feels good. I love driving in the rain. I think it's very therapeutic and all. It slows traffic down, especially me. I like just slowing down just a little bit and just enjoying traffic. You see everybody just passing by all the way in a slow lane in the beautiful state of Florida. And finna come out, just had to pick up an item on the back end that I'm really excited for. So, yeah. Earlier, I seen a crash that I'm gonna have to show y'all. It was a bad crash. A car had flipped over and all, and man, the traffic was so backed up. Had been about like 10 miles maybe. But anyway, I'm going in that direction. Hopefully they have it cleared by then, but we'll see how that go. I might have to make a pit stop just to check my bike rack, make sure everything's still going like it's going. Just monitor and keep my eyes open on it. Yeah, it's raining pretty hard. Let me know if y'all driving bad weather, or do y'all just like chill out for a second? I never had to sit out on the side of the road because the weather was so bad. I was like so used to it. Like I always keep my eyes on the white lines. That usually helped me and all. And you got to be very cautious though. Very cautious.